Welcome back everyone to another Durst product overview, and today is very exciting that we've got Frank here from Durst.
Nice to see you, Andrew.
Nice to see you talking about the range of Hypastarts, the new family. Now Durst is the leading manufacturer of industrial, automotive, mining, charging and diagnostic equipment, designed here and built in Australia since 1918. Durst is a name you can depend on. This is a market leader. And what we have today is a Hypastart. What it is, it's not just a normal battery starter. It doesn't have a battery, it's low maintenance, its weight to power ratio is reversed, so it's light but it's very powerful. Frank, take us through the family and what we got here and what's available.
Okay, so today what we have is our full range and what we like to call our industry range of jump starters. If you're not familiar with a Hypastart, basically very high power and very lightweight. So typically a normal jump pack would be in the range of roughly 12 to 13 kilos and has the power output of up to 2,300 amps at 24 volts.
That's interesting.
So there's a lot of power to be had, Andy. Now, there's a lot of jump starters here, and instead of having a one-for-all jump starter, we don't do that. We like to specifically give you a jump starter that is for your industry. For example, at the auto one here, this is an auto version directly for auto workshops. 12 volts only, so there's no problems about getting voltages mixed up at all. It's got some special features that are directly aimed at workshops and car dealerships, for example.
Wow.
They're the ones that are going to benefit for something like this.
Gee, incredible.
Sort of moving down the track here, we've got our transport range, and I think it's pretty self-explanatory. Being transport, trucks, buses, okay, yeah. That's perfectly where it fits into, and again, specific ranges for these guys. And moving forward, we do have mining. Okay, so our mine versions it is for the mining guys. They're extra heavy duty, fatter switches, cat plugs on board, all the good stuff when it comes to that.
Which is where Durst is really excelling in the full industry, the mining industry. This is where they've got obviously their big products in, but now they're branching off into these incredible industries, which is just really tailoring this product for your needs. Incredible.
That's right. And Andrew, as well, we do have our aviation model, which is the Hypastart Air, and we do have the Hypastart Marine for the saltwater guys. Now, we'll go into detail shortly about these, but like I said, these units are specifically aimed at the industry. So that way, if you're in the aviation industry, you don't need to worry about what product you're going to buy. You know straight which section you need to come to, and you'll have a product ready and waiting for you.
So just you know, click and collect or whatever.
Well, that's correct. I mean, you know, we've got, you know, the ranges will be directed at everybody who needs a Hypastart. And remember, for the people who don't know, the benefits of Hypastart is simply weight and power. I mean, these units, you know, come in at 12 or 13 kilos, and they're able to output 2,300 starting amps at 24 volts, which is extremely substantial. So
yeah, 1,015 at 12 volts. It's an extraordinary product.
That's right.
It really is. It's changing the game. This is there's nothing quite like it. It's actually quite exciting to be a part of this and seeing this evolve for just pure convenience and for reliability and for the robust. The build on these things is the highest quality. The switching, the onboard amp meters, the whole thing is just beautifully finished. It really is a gorgeous product.
Yes, it really is. Now we've got a jump starter that is super powerful and that is very lightweight. And basically, you know, we can get in there. As you can see, they're very light. And typically, when we're talking about engine sizes, and we're going to be talking about, say, for the mining sort of industry, and if you've got a 27-litre Caterpillar, for example, you're going to need a couple of really strong jump packs, you know, to get you up and running. And if you happen to have a 793, you know, on site as well, well then, you know, you'll need a jump cart, you know, with hundreds of kilos of weight. You know, yet I can give you one of our 4500s here, which is 19 kilos. It's completely portable, and it will start up a 793 without a problem.
That's the 793 big
That's
wheel,
right,
big
yes.
wheel.
The mining guys, they'll know exactly what that is. They're very familiar with that.
Well, I'll tell you, Frank, congratulations on what a wonderful product, but also a wonderful range. To independently isolate these for industries, to make them a much more practical product is just fantastic. So, Frank, we'll go through over the next few videos and take you through each product for your own industry and show how they work and how they're beneficial and how they're better than what you're probably using now by a long way.
And also, Andrew, these products are available through GPC, Napa, and Repco. So
there you
if
go.
you need a Hypastart, that's where you go.